Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ray. Thanks for joining me. Listen, I got another part for the Super Duty. All right. I just received from F150 LEDs their LED cup holder coaster kit. Thank you to F150 LEDs for supplying this to me. Quick disclaimer, they did send this out to me for my evaluation. So what we're going to do, we're simply going to open it up, take a look at it, and this is just a really a bling bling for your cup holders, guys. That's all it is. All right. If you like your truck, you like showing it off, this is what this is. All right. This is pretty much, I call a vanity piece. And guys, we buy these trucks, we enjoy them. We like to show them off. We like to personalize them to how we like it. So this is what this is about. I'm glad they sent it to me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up, take a look at it, and that's pretty much it. All right. Any questions, any comments, please hit me below. Again, there will be links below to this particular item and a lot of other parts. Some of those links will be affiliate. Please consider using those links. It does support this channel and I greatly appreciate it. So enough of me talking. Let's open this up, take a look at it, see how it works, and we'll just keep it moving. Let's go. Let's go see LEDs cup holder coaster kit. All right, and what's good about the LEDs cup holster kit, that you could get it in any type of configuration. If you can see this, and I'll take a screenshot if this is not coming out on video, you can get XLT, Larinon, King Ranch, Platinum, Super Duty, whatever the logo that's on your type of truck, you can get that to match. I happen to have the Tremor one because I have a Tremor. So I like that. So let's just open this up, take a quick look at it. All right, well packaged. And with the kit, you come with 2 coasters. All right, like we have some type of reset tool here. And I don't know if you can see that. Comes with, of course, the word Tremor on it. And what I like about this one is that in the back, as you can see, they have little solar panels, which is ideal. So if you need to recharge and you don't want to plug it into your lighter, or you can simply take it out, throw it on your dashboard and let it charge. And I really like that feature. All right, nice, quick and easy. So if you're out and about, if you forget to charge it, as long as you got sun, you can charge this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take off the plastic, all right, to expose that LED. Let's get that taken off there. All right, and you can see we have like a reset button here, I believe. So of course we have a standard mini jack for your charging. And that's pretty much it. All right, no off and on button. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click that. And as you can see, by hitting that, it automatically sets it. All right, I have green. And I believe you can cycle through the colors. Okay, I just want to point out before, also, when you look at it, you can see kind of scratched up, but it has a plastic film on it. So make sure you take that film off to show the nice mirror finish to your device. All right, initially I didn't know that was a plastic piece on it, but it is, so make sure you take those 2 off. So nice and shiny and looks nice. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna put this up in the dash, exposing the solar panel. All right, so we can get this charged up. Okay, I just wanna bring out something just to bring it to your attention. With the kit, again, you get a mini USB charger, which is fine because again, with the 2 solar panels or 2 coasters, it does have solar panel on them, so that'll help you with your charging. So if one is dead, you can charge one and have the other one in the sun or what have you. So, which is okay. I kind of wish, to tell you the truth, I wish they would have supplied something like this. Since we have 2 chargers, I just happen to have this in my arsenal. It's a USB with a splitter to charge 2 devices. this, I can charge this at the same time with one plug. So I just kind of wish they would have include something like this with the kit. So that's just my opinion. It doesn't take away from it, because again, you do have solar panels on back of the devices, but I just wish they would give you a double one. So just a quick note, if you don't have, well, you should have the sun, but I'm saying if you need to charge it quicker or during the night, and if you have one of these type of connectors, you know, it'll just, instead of waiting one at a time, you can do it all at once. So that's just one thing I want to point out. I wish they would have had. Again, it doesn't take away from it, because again, you still have the solar panel and one, but having a double, just to double the fun. That's all I'm saying. All right. So let's keep it moving. Let's get this all charged up, and later on we'll come back with the video and just take a look at it being set up in my truck and how it looks. So stay with me. It's nighttime, so I'm just trying to give you a look at it, see how it looks with when it's on, and it's a good look. All right. And what I like about it, again, when you put your little water bottle there, it gives that little effect. Now there's different lights or colors, and also you can have it on solid color, or you can have it just pulsating. So when you tap on that back button, it cycles through that feature. All right. So let me turn that on. So it's a good look. Again, just a little something a little different. If you travel a lot or you like pimping out your vehicle, this is definitely a nice touch to your vehicle. And as you can see, let me see if I can turn it around. I have the Tremor one, and it's all motion detected. So once you get in the car and start some type of motion, it automatically comes on. So that's it, guys. So just want to show it to you a little closer. I like it. All right. The red lights, and with this color, it really sets it off. So guys, if this was helpful, please consider like, subscribe, check out the affiliate links below, and I'll check you on the next one. Later.